Arman always had one favorite sentence. Okay, I'll do it tomorrow. His unfinished tasks followed him like a shadow. Lessons left half done. Projects only started. In dreams that lived only in his mind. He wasn't lazy, not really. In fact, he was often busy, but not with the right things. He watched movies, scrolled on social media, or made so many plans that there was no time left to act. Every night, he promised himself, tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow always came like today, with the same confusion, the same fear, the same escape from starting. Until one day, something simple happened. Armand went to an old building to renew some papers. In the corner of the hall, an old man was sitting, and above him, a wall clock had stopped, its hands stuck on one number. Arman smiled and said, "That clock hasn't worked for a long time." The old man answered softly, "No, my son, it's not broken. It just stayed there, just like many people." Those words hit Arman's mind like a quiet slap. The old man continued, "Most people think their problem is laziness, but it's really fear. Fear of starting, fear of not being perfect, fear of what if I try and fail?" Then he looked straight at Arman and said, "You're not afraid of failure. You're running away from not trying yourself." Arman stayed silent. The old man said one last thing. No life is built with tomorrow, only with today. That night, Arman didn't make a big decision. He didn't give himself a strange promise. He didn't start a revolution. He just did one small thing. The project he had delayed for months, he worked on it for only 5 minutes. And something strange happened. 5 minutes became 15, 15 became an hour, and after a long time, he fell asleep with a feeling of movement. He wasn't successful yet. He wasn't perfect. But at last, he had started. Days passed. Things were still hard, but he no longer ran away. He had learned something. Successful people don't start because they have motivation. They get motivation because they start. And now, his usual sentence had changed. I'll do it now, even if it's not perfect.
If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.